If you're looking for the Amazon Prime student free trial, it's actually called Amazon Prime for young adults, and it gives you 6 months free of Amazon Prime. There's a link in the description that will take you to the page where you can sign up. It's 6 months free for $0, and then it's 50% off after that. So $7.49 a month or just $69 per year. You also can get 5% cash back, free food deliveries through Grubhub Plus, and of course Prime Video. So click through there, see if you qualify. You have to be between 18 and 24 years old, so you don't just have to be a student. So tell your friends if they aren't students and they're between those ages, you can still get this 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime. Or if you're a student with a .edu email address, you can qualify there as well. So you have to meet those criteria, try Prime free for young adults, but you can also get Prime for up to 50% off and also a 30-day free trial, even if you're not between 18 and 24. So you click on this right here that says not between 18 and 24, and you actually get a 30-day free trial of Amazon Prime. Now, you don't get the 5% cash back. That's just for Amazon Prime for young adults, but you do get the 30-day free trial, and then you pay monthly or annually for Amazon Prime after that. But you can see here at the end, it has this Prime Access. And if you're wondering what that is, that's essentially 50% off Prime for those who need that kind of assistance. Now, you click on this, try Prime Access free for 30 days, and then you are in the process of that, you'll go through the qualification, right? So as long as you meet the criteria, whether you're receiving government assistance or some other situation there, you can actually get Prime Access for 50% off of the normal Amazon Prime price. So that's Amazon Prime for students, but also young adults, and you get 6 months free Amazon Prime, which is an awesome amount, and then you even get it for about half off after that. Or you just try for 30 days free if you don't qualify for that Amazon Prime for young adults. That's how you get your student 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime.